happening, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Brendan with Brendan Hunt Custom. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. We're going to be doing an unboxing video. Today we're going to be using a new purchase I got from Harbor Freight, and I've got two hooligans riding with me, and one of them gets to play cameraman today. I'll meet you guys at the shop.
No fucking.
Oh my god!
Gotta pull up them big old black zonks on that motherfucker. Oh yeah.
Here's our test subject for welding today.
Me?
Yes. Just kidding. We're welding on this. I made this at Votech a couple years ago and I think it'll be perfect. I struck a mini arc on it just for shits and gigs. I'll go get my helmet, clean this up a little bit. We'll see if this thing can weld or not. Okay. We're breaking out the OG helmet today. It's gonna be dirty. Headgear's broken, but that ain't gonna bother me. We're gonna try this bad boy out. So our new welder is a titanium 200 Ultimate from Harbor Freight. This thing retails for just under $900. I'll put the slide up there with it. This thing is a multi-process welder, so it does stick, TIG, flux core, and MIG. Do everything you want. We're gonna see what it can do today.
It does it all! Oh my god, I had nothing!
So who wants to play cameraman?
Huh?
Who wants to play the cameraman?
I got it.
Alright. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, the first step to do this is we gotta turn it on. Now, off initial startup, this thing is loud.
Sounds like an old PS4.
That's what I'm saying. So, we already got some good old 6011 stuck up in this, so we could strike an arc earlier to see what it do. Didn't have my helmet at the time, so now we're gonna see what this thing can do. We're gonna clamp that right there. Clean us up a little spot here. Wiggle that sucker. Oh yeah. Yeah. Alright, so like I said, my helmet don't have any headgear, so it don't tighten down. So we're just gonna do one of these numbers and call it good.
I think my batteries are dead.
Burns kind of hot. Might have to turn her down a little bit. That's a fat weld though. Let's get something and chip her off, I suppose. Personally, I like to use a second chip right here. Because it doesn't work.
A few moments later.
Oh, hey, look at that. Now it's working. Okay, so we're getting some fatties going on already. That's exactly what we want. So now we'll just take our wire brush, like so. Hold her down. Give her a nice little shiny shine, like so. And look at that. See, it's got some potential. I hope. The reason we're using good old 6011 is because this shit's rusty. I want to be using anything else filling for that. Let's give her a try again. Whew. Well, that's better than what I expected, considering you can't see anything out of that. That's good for it. Anyways, let's chip on her and clean her up. Now, we're gonna go get us a little piece of angle iron and we got for scrap. See if we can't make a little small filler block out of that. Alright, we threw a couple more zip ties on. It's not perfect, but it'll do the job. So I'm gonna have to keep pushing shit around. Still can't see anything out of it, but that's alright. So we got a little piece of angle here. we're gonna be running a couple passes on and see if we can't make a mini filler block out of it. Fuck. Oh yeah. We're gonna have to turn our amps down a little bit. We're burning through that bit. Clean this up a little bit. What was it at?
101.
Oh yeah, that'd do it. So far, I really like this, I don't even remember what the fuck these are called, electrode holders?
Yeah, stingers.
Stingers, that's it. Like the Stinger, it's got different angles on it and all that shit. Works pretty nice. We turned everything down, we're gonna try her again. Alright, I like that a lot more. Still ain't gonna be good. It's the first time I've stick welded in a little while. I ain't gonna lie to you. Probably turn her back up just a smudge. That's a fatty. Well, this thing doesn't have any issues with making some heat. I'll give it that. I'm still making a little too much heat, but... This sucks with no gloves. I'm gonna find something metal to beat this off with. Get.
Nothing.
What'd you get?
Nothing.
What'd you get?
Nothing.
Chase, what do you get? What are you gonna sabotage me with?
Nothing. Start welding.
I swear to God, if you catch this shop on fire, I'm taking all your freaking pay, dude.
What?
I got my eye on you. Alright, we turned it down a little bit. What the hell? Gavin Adcock tickets suspended.
Alright, I'm deleting everything.
Too. And you fucked it up.
Oops. Just the
Red forward. You fucked that all kinds of up, brother. I'll score.
More familiar motion.
Yeah, it's not, honestly not bad. Considering I haven't welded stick in a little while. Probably been like 2.5 years. I'm proud of that one. That's a hashtag. Sheesh! So, I wish we could do some MIG and TIG, but I currently don't have any C25, nor do I have argon. Let me show you guys though, real quick. So when I bought this thing, it came in a big box, right? This is the box it came in, right? Had everything in there. When I opened it up, we had our TIG torch and our stick torch along with our gas line. What I could not find in there, however, was the MIG. And I looked, but I could not find it. Well, they pulled a sneaky on me, and that got me good. So, but once I get all the stuff I need to do TIG and MIG, I will probably add on to it. So far, I like it. We will see down the road how we like it. The next video that I review it, it's probably going to be like a 1 month in update, what I've used it for and how I like it. So yeah, it's going to do it for this though. Hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to like and subscribe. This is Brendan with Brendan Hunt Custom signing off. Have a shitty day. Bye bye now.